This video will be a review of the UniquExceptional model UHMD handheld metal detector. Handheld metal detector. Purchase this off of Amazon. There'll be a link down there in the description for it. It's just a generic handheld metal detector. I purchased this mainly for woodworking, as I do some reclaimed wood, and you definitely want to make sure there are no nails or staples in the wood when you run through your equipment. This takes a 9-volt battery. I have purchased a USB rechargeable battery from Amazon. There's a separate review for that. I'll put it down in the description, as well as a link to the actual battery that I purchased off of Amazon. And let's open this up and see what we have here. Okay, the UniquExceptional metal detector. So here's the power switch right here. That has audible tone and light, and that just vibrates when it sees metal. So to put the battery in, take off this cap right here, and on the cap it shows positive and negative, so you know which way the battery goes in. Quick side note, the battery is a USB rechargeable battery that I purchased. There will be a separate review of that, and I'll put a link to that in the description. Purchase this off of Amazon. There'll be a link to that as well. Go ahead and slide the battery in. There you go. Turn it on. Seems to work well there. Okay, so let's give it a quick test here. This piece of wood, and see if it can find a nail. Seems to flash right in here. I don't see anything on this side. Flip it over. And there we go. There's a nail right there. So it seems to work okay. Lost my ring. Okay, stop it. And right here is where you adjust the sensitivity. The directions say turn it clockwise until it sounds or till you get alert, and then back it off just a little bit, which I did. That's a really small hole, and it's going to take a small like an eyeglass type screwdriver flathead to get in there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. This video will be a review of the